Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Mermazing Nails and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and click on the notification bell. You will be notified of my video every weekend. I only upload one video and it's some pretty interesting nail art that I show you every week. I appreciate it if you click on that bell. So, on to the nails. We're going to start off with a base coat. I will no longer be Bombshell Nails, but Nails by Liz Buckland. It's kind of liberating, so... Ooh, this is at sea level, a brand new spanking Essie. Now, I do not normally get Essies unless if it's from TJ Maxx. And I had to get this one. And the pictures do not do it justice at all. I really like this polish. It's really out of my element polishing that thumbnail. I don't know why I kept just getting it all over my cuticles. I was in a hurry. So it's a Trap by Funky Fingers. That blue is amazing. And if anybody knows of a stamping polish that looks just like that in the bottle, comment below, because I would like to get this shade of blue, the opacity of this blue, turquoise blue, in a stamping polish. I wished it was a little bit more opaque in color. The Funky Fingers, I had to do like 6 layers, no joke, to build up the opacity. So I wasn't a fan of that, but definitely worth it to get the color built up. It's very gorgeous. So everything's dry. I'm going to go ahead and do one more coat. While the bottle is sitting there, you can kind of see the different pearlescent colors of the sea and whatnot. Just a little shift of colors. This is Mermazing by Funky Fingers. Had it for a year, all winter long, been staring at it. I'm so happy to use it. It's super sparkly, so you want something extra, you should have this bottle. I don't know if they have it at the store right now. Like I said, I got it last year at Five Below. Maybe you can get it online. I'll try to find any links online for the US. Next we're going to do the middle finger, just the base of the middle finger. Maybe the side walls. Try to manipulate, try to move around the glitter pieces as much as you can to where the light would hit. I definitely like to do that. Like those big chunks of glitter right on top, right on the side, so they can have a nice flash when your hand moves around. That's a nice little tip. checking to see everything's dry. I'm going to Stamping BC04. It is an AliExpress plate. You can use any mermaid pattern that you have. So this is French Kiss by Pure Ice. And we're going to do a fade out. I wished I would have not done that second scrape and had a little bit more pink, but it's okay. It is what it is, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. I really like how it's a slight fade. Not a slight fade, but it's a big fade. I really like how there's like little tiny skid marks of the pink scale pattern. And now we're going to do a full scale of the French Kiss blue. Tried to match up the blue in there, and turns out great. I'm going to do some more layers of the Funky Fingers Mermazing. Super awesome glitter topper, super chunky and sparkly. I love it. I don't know any dupes, so I don't know. Usually there's glitter toppers that are duped by other brands. I don't know. If you guys know, then you can comment below. Add some sidewalls. I know it's I'll clean up here after I add some more Mermazing. Didn't take me that long to come up with this concept last night. I was so happy when it came together. Gosh, I really like how this nail set looks. I'm just gonna add some more. So I'm not going to add a top coat in the end. I couldn't find my seche vite. I did off camera. So I'm just forewarning, there's no top coatage in the video. So, but you do see how it will turn out. I will show you the final look. So we're going to dab some super nail glue and add an embellishment. I wanted to keep it simple. There's so much going on that pearl is just like rocking it out. I'm feeling that one little pearl on top of the nail. So we're gonna leave it. I think maybe some Swarovski crystals would have probably helped it more, but I don't wanna. I think the pearl is fantastic, and this is what they look like. This is what they'll look like with the top coat, and I am enjoying this look. Hope you guys did, and let me know below what you all think about it. I would love to hear all your comments, negative or positive, but you shouldn't have anything negative because this is, yeah, I really like this, you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm on Instagram at The Bombshell Nails, but I will be Liz Buckland Nails. So just keep an eye out for that, and I hope you all have a great Memorial weekend and a fabulous week. Until next time, bye.